Welcome back. In this video, we're making a blueberry breakfast pastry. For the first filling, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Blend until smooth. Then for the fruit filling, 1/3 cup of blueberry preserves and 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch. Onto a puff pastry shell goes the cream cheese mixture, a few spoonfuls of the blueberry mixture. Brush the top half of the pastry shell with egg wash. On goes the top half of the pastry shell. Press down with your fingers to seal. Crimp the edges with a fork. Some egg wash on top. A few slits on top to release the steam. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes. Drizzle the remaining cream cheese filling right over the top. Using a zester, freeze-dried blueberries, sprinkle with some mint, and there we have it, a blueberry breakfast pastry. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.